Hello everyone. In this video, let me see about RSA algorithm problem number 4. Explain about the RSA algorithm with the example as P equal to 11, Q equal to 5, E equal to 3 and there is plain text equal to 9. First write the solution. Next given data. What are the values are given? P equal to 11. Next Q equal to 5. E equal to 3. And plain text PT equal to 9. Write step 1, calculate n. Step 1, calculate small n. Here the formula n equal to P into Q. Substitute the value of P and Q. P equal to 11 and Q equal to 5. And 11 into 5 equal to 55. So n value here 55. Okay. Step 1 over. Next is step 2. Step 2, calculate pi of n. Okay. Pi of n formula, pi of n equal to P minus 1 and Q minus 1. Here P value 11. So 11 minus 1 and Q value 5. So 5 minus 1. So pi of n equal to 10 into 4. So pi of n equal to 40. 10 into 4, 40. So step 2 over. Next step 3, calculate decryption key. Step 3, calculate decryption key. Okay. Here the formula D into E, that is concurrent of 1 mod pi of n. Substitute the respective values. D value we don't know, so just write D. E value given in the problem 3. Then concurrent of 1 mod pi of value 40, right? Then how to find the value of D means it's very easy method. I will show you now. It's very easy method to find the value of D. I will show you the shortcut method. See here. So this is 40, no? Pi of n value 40. So this is for pi of n value. Write the number 40 to add number 1. So 41. Likewise, for the next step, 40 into 2 plus 1. So 81. For the next step, 80. So 81, no? So 40 into 2, second step. Next step, 80 into 2. Next step, 160 into 2. Likewise, the number to be that's repeated again and again. In which step, that's in which number, the remainder value is 0. The particular number is known as D value. Okay, it's very easy method. See here, 41. So 41, say for example, here 41 divided by number 3. Number 3 is nothing, E value. Okay, 41 for the 40 plus 1, that's number. Okay, pi of this 41 nothing, pi of n plus 1. Okay, then E is nothing, E value, small E value. Just divide the number 41 divided by 3 here, 1 3s are 3 and again remaining 3 3s are 9. So here the remainder value 2, right? So our aim to find the value, of remainder value is 0. So this is not correct. Okay. So leave this number. Again choose the second number. Here 41 not yet correct. No. So this is for wrong. Otherwise this correct not yet a correct number. Next choose the second one, 81. Here see 81 divided by 3. Here 81 is nothing. 40. Before the number 40 into 2. So 80 plus 1 to add number 1 here. So 81. So 81 divided by 3 equal to 27. Here remainder value 0. Okay. To select this particular number, there's nothing D value. Okay. So here D value 27. Okay. Right. So D value here 27. Like this here, right. D value equal to 27. So step 3 also over. Next step 4. Step 4. Step 4, public key. Write the public and private key. Public key here E comma N. Here E value that's not 5, 3, right? E value 3, comma, here N value 55. Okay, likewise, private key equal to D comma N equal to here D 27 comma 55. Step 4 over, next step 5. Step 5, encryption, okay. Here write the formula, C equal to M to the power of E mod N, okay. Here M is nothing, plain text, okay. Substitute the respective values, C equal to 9 to the power of 3 mod N value 55, right. Here C equal to 729 mod 55. Very easy step. There is a 3 ordinary step: division, multiplication and subtraction. See here 729 mod 55 for the first step, division, okay. 729 divided by 55. The number is 13.25. The next step, multiplication. So take this rounded value, this number 13 multiplied by 55. Okay, the number is 715. For the next step, subtraction. So 729 minus previous number 715 equal to, here subtraction, okay, equal to 14. So here C value equal to 14. Okay, so step 5 also over. Next is step 6. Step 6, decryption. Here they write the formula, M equal to C into D, C power D mod N. See here, M for, here C for cipher text, M for plain text, okay. E and N value given in the problem, right. Here M for plain text, C for cipher text, D for, D already found, no, in the previous step, I think step 3, we know the value of D, right. Substitute the respective values here. M equal to C value, C value 14, right. The whole power, D here 27 mod 55. Okay, see here, in a single step means 14 power 27, it will exceed the limit in the calculator display, okay. So what we have to do means just to split the number. You have to split the number, decompose the number. How to split the number means, here M equal to 14 the whole power 5 and 14 the whole power 5 multiplication, okay. So 14 the whole power 5 and 14 the whole power 5, again 14 the whole power 2, the whole bracket mod 55. How means, here the base same means power to be added, no. So here 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 20, 20 plus 2, 27. Again 1 5 missing, no, sorry. Again 1 5 missing. Here also write. See here, then separate this. This is 5. Okay, so the whole power 5 and 14 power 2. Now add the number here also 1 5, so 2. So 5 5 is 25. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2. So 27. Okay. Now combine the number and that is find the value of mod. Okay. Next I will explain one by one. See here, 14 power 5 mod 55. Okay, no need to find each and every step again and again, because these all numbers are repeated, no. So we have to find at least one number, that is one value, 14 power 5, that's enough to find all, okay. Just substitute the respective values in each step, okay. First 14 power 5 mod 55, expansion of 14 power 5 in the calculator range only, display only. So 537824 mod 55, okay. These all are calculation by using calculator, okay. Next, first already told that division, multiplication, subtraction. First step, division. So the number divided by 55, the number to be 9778. For the next step, multiplication. Before the number 9778, into 55 equal to 537790. For the last step, original number minus the previous line number. So the remainder, that is minus subtraction of the answer to be 34. Okay. So 14 power 5 mod 55 value is 34, right? Okay. For the next step, again, what are the values we need? 14 power 2. Here, 14 power 5 is 34. No, here, right? Where is right? Okay. 14 power. So 34 into 34 into 34 into 34 into 34 and 14 power 2. Close the bracket, mod 55, right? Here, we need again 14 power 2 value, no? So for the next step, find the 14 power 2 mod, okay? See here, 14 power 2 mod 55, same procedure, okay? Division, multiplication, subtraction, okay? The follow these steps. Here the number, there's answer to be 31. Just substitute here. For the next line, m equal to 34 into 34, 34 into 34. How many 34s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 34, again 31, right? Close the bracket, mod 55. See here, there are here 534. Again, here also, you have to multiply all these numbers by using calculator. The numbers to be in out of range, okay? There's display number, okay? Again, what we have to do means just grouping the number for our convenient only, just grouping this number. Find 34 into 34, again 34 into 34. For the next step, 34 into 31. It's very easy, okay? For the next step, 34 into 34 mod. I will show you now. See here, 34 into 34 mod 55. That is nothing, 1156 mod 55. Same procedure, division, multiplication, subtraction. The final answer 1, okay? Then substitute the respective values here. Where you want to substitute here? See, 34 into 34, the number mod value 1. So 1 into 34 into 31, close the bracket, mod 55, right? For the next step, okay? Again 34 into 31, okay? M equal to 34 into 31, 1054 mod 55, right? See here, 1054 mod 55, same procedure, division, multiplication, subtraction, the answer to be 9, right? So here write the final answer, M equal to 9, right? For the final step, write all the answers and answer. For the first step, n equal to 55. For the second step, pi of n equal to 40. For the third step, d equal to 27. And next, public key. Okay, public key equal to 3, 55. Here 3 is nothing. E value, n for 55 for n value. Private key equal to 27 and 55. Here 27 is nothing, d value. And next step, the next main step, cipher text equal to 14 and plain text equal to m value 9. These all are the values, okay? These all are the values in this problem, okay? That's all about this problem.